I'll start now.
Yes, alright. This is Auntie Claire is here in Jamaica doing some fish. I just come from all over Bay. You can see the fish them fresh and nice. Look at it.
Yeah, look at the eye them. See
Look
them?
there, fresh fish. This is parrot, right? And we have grunt, wrenchman, and everything. You can see it. See there? Parrot, lots of parrot, doctor fish, all kind of doctor fish, right? All kind, big doctor fish. So, want you guys to like it and see it, so I'm going to buy them fresh, you know? And with that, me and my friend a scale up, right? So I will do it, so just like this channel, share, subscribe to the channel, Auntie Claire.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
To like, share. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Right? So subscribe and like this. This is in Jamaica now, right? So you can see the fish them. Fresh fish just come out, I see. Okay? So just like up the little channel here now. And do up nothing. See me I do up the fish. So we do it right way. Nothing wrong. This out of my yard, right? Jamaica, they see tree them. Coconut tree. Banana tree. Right? And you can see everything else. The atmosphere. Nice and fresh. See dog them lay down there, so. Them now my young security them there. Sen? You show them? Yeah man, the security them, the little dog them. Soon go feed them. Make sure we have feed up the dog them. Do up the thing when you know. You know? Alright. Yeah, do too much. Couple minutes, we not do no long one.
Long one. Just stop it.